Yes, students. Now exercise 14C, first question. Actually, in first question, we will find out simple area of parallelogram. Okay. And in this area of parallelogram, like if you observe, like five part is there. And out of five part, I will do only three part. Only three part. So first question, base is given. Base is given how many? 8 centimeter. And height is given, that is 3 centimeter. So what have to find out? We have to find out simple area. So we can say area of parallelogram is equals to, this is not 11 gram, okay, this is parallelogram. This is the sign of parallelogram, always remember. You can also write down, no issue. So the formula is base into height. So 8 multiplied by 3 is equals to how many? 24 centimeters square. This is your question number first part done. Okay. So remember, first of all, you need to focus all the units are same or not. अगर आपके पास unit different हो, then first of all you have to convert into same unit, and after that you have to multiply. Okay. Now next question, let's see. You can write down also. Next question, second part, base is given 12 millimeter and height is given 8.7 centimeter. And what have to find out? We have to find out the area. अब एक चीज देखना, here millimeter is given and here 8.7 centimeter is given. Now who tell me, write down in comment section, 1 centimeter is equals to how many millimeter? 1 centimeter is equals to how many millimeter? Very nice, Yuvraj. 10 millimeter. So we can say 8.7 centimeter is equals to 8.7 multiplied by 10, or we can say 87 millimeter. अब आपको क्या करना है? Simple multiplication. So we can say base is equals to 12 millimeter, height is equals to 87 millimeter. So all of you multiply 87 multiplied by 12. Yeah, we can say 12 multiplied by 87. एक ही बात है, height into base या base into height, both are same. अब मुझे multiply करो और बताओ कितना आंसर आ रहा है. 87 multiplied by 12. All of you tell me. 1044. Let's see, or any students same answer is coming or not. 1044. Very nice. So the answer is 1044 millimeter square. That is your complete answer. So this is second part also done. All of you understood? Show me your thumbs up if you understood. Very nice. Now next part. चलो मैं थर्ड पार्ट नहीं करवा रहा हूँ. Okay, we will do question number fourth part. So let's see. Fourth part, base is given 1 meter 5 centimeter. Height is given 45 centimeter. Okay. Now students see. Here base is given 1 meter 5 centimeter. Height is given 45 centimeter. आप बोलोगे सर हाउ यू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन? सर यहाँ पे तो मीटर में भी है, सेंटीमीटर में भी है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, वन थिंग वी कैन डू, एक चीज हम कर सकते, लाइक 1 meter convert into centimeter. So 1 meter means how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. And 100 multiply 100 plus 5. देखना अच्छे से. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. Okay. And we can say, just wait one time students, 1 meter means 100 centimeter and 100 plus 5, that is 105 centimeter. And already we know height is equals to given 45 centimeter. So what have to do? Multiplication only. So all of you multiply and tell me what is the area. Area of the parallelogram. 105 multiplied by 45. Tell me what is the correct answer. Multiply all of you. Uh, 4725. Dhruv Modi. Very nice, Jayant. Himanshu, 4725. 4725 centimeter square. That is your complete answer. That means here question number first we are completed. और जो भी आपके पास remaining part है, that is your homework. Okay, got it? Very nice. Now we'll move question number 2. Question number 2 will move. Properly question number 2. In question number 2, one diagram is there. चलो diagram बना लेते हैं एक बार. This is the diagram of the parallelogram A, B, C, D. And in this ABCD, DE is the perpendicular height. आप you can answer your question में भी ऐसे कोई question हो सकता है. Sir, this is a perpendicular height. Why? Because this height is straight. This is making the 90 degree. This is the making 90 degree angle. That's why this is perpendicular height. Okay. Now in this question, आपके पास क्या दे रखा है? In this question, area is given. How many area is given? Like 48 centimeter square. ठीक है? Area दे रखा है sir. Okay. And DE also given. अब बोलो DE इसमें क्या दे रखा है? DE means height is given. देखो इसमें D is what? D is perpendicular height. H is given. And what have to find out? We need to find out AB. आपको क्या find करना है? You have to find out the AB. AB means basis. We have to find out. आपको क्या find करना है? Base. अब सोचो मैंने एक फॉर्मूला बताया था. How we will find out the base? How we will find out the base? If you want to find out the base, then the formula is base is equals to area divided by height. Actually we know the formula area is equals to base into height. ये तो आप लोगों को सबको ही पता है ना? So if you want to find out the base only, then ये जो height भाई साहब है ना, इस height भाई साहब को नीचे ले आएंगे. So area divided by height. So we can say here AB is equals to 48 divided by 6. 48 divided by 6 is equals to 8 centimeter. So AB is equals to how many students? AB is equals to 8 centimeter. Got it? Now next part. First part done. First part done. Now second part. Okay. So second part, same process is there. In this question, another parallelogram is there. And what is the name of the parallelogram? PQRS. In this PQRS, height is given how many? RT. The name of the height is given RT. Okay. Now in this area of parallelogram that is given 252. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको कितना दे रखा है एरिया? 252. Okay. And PQ is what? Anyone know what is the PQ? यहाँ पे PQ क्या शो कर रहा है? Tell me fast. PQ is what? Base और height. Write down PQ is what? Base है या height? Very nice. Here PQ is base. PQ is base. चलो PQ कितना दे रखा हमारे पास? 9 centimeter. Good. We need to find out RT. अब आपका माइंड में एक क्वेरी आ सकता है जो अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर रहे हो. सर वाई विल मेक दिस हाइट लाइक दिस? हाइट तो हम इस तरीके से भी तो फाइंड कर सकते हैं ना, बट आपका जो ये हाइट आएगा ना वही ये भी हाइट आएगा. अगर आपका जो आंसर ये आएगा सेम आंसर कम इन दिस हाइट ऑल्सो. जो भी नाम दो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बट दैट इज योर हाइट. नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द हाइट. सो एज आई टोल्ड यू, व्हेन यू फाइंड आउट द हाइट, देन एरिया divided by base we can say. So here area is how many? 252. ठीक है ना? Divided by PQ 9. So if I divide, then how many will come? 9 to 18, like 7, 28 centimeter. Very nice. Same answer is coming. I know many of the student already given answer. Aditya here, many of the student. Very good. Now next question. Question number 3. So here question number 3, the side of rhombus is 7.2 centimeter and its altitude is given, that is 5 centimeter. We have to find out the area. So now you are thinking, sir, आपने तो rhombus का area formula लिखा ही नहीं. Actually, I will tell you, parallelogram and rhombus, that is looking like same but not properly same. But in some cases you can use the formula area of parallelogram का जो formula होता है ना, that same formula you can use area of rhombus. Actually two formula of there. Two formula is there, area of rhombus. All of you note down. Area of rhombus is equals to, we can write down base into height. एक तो आपका base into height होता है जो कि सेम होता है पैरेललोग्राम का, and another formula is half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Remember always half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. आप बोलोगे सर diagonal 1 और diagonal 2 क्या होता है सर? This is diagonal. So ये जो diagonal का लेंथ होगा ना, कभी कभी क्वेश्चन में दे रखा हो सकता है, this is 5 centimeter and this is diagonal 2, this is maybe 6 centimeter. So in this formula we can use diagonal 1 means 5 centimeter. In some question we'll use diagonal 2 is equals to 6 centimeter, and after that you have to find out the answer. Okay, so but in this like class 7th, in your class 7th ये formula आपका use नहीं है. In this class 7th we will use this formula only, base into height. Okay, so let's see question. इस question को देख लेते एक बार. In this question one rhombus is there, and in this rhombus like side is given 7.2 centimeter, 7.2. And another thing remember, जो आपके पास rhombus होता है, in this rhombus all the sides are equal. जितना भी sides होता है ना, that all the sides are equal. And here altitude is given. Altitude means perpendicular height. Always remember altitude जो होता है ना, that is perpendicular height, 5 centimeter. So we know base, we know height, so we'll find out the area. So area of rhombus is equals to, area of rhombus is equals to base into height. So students, tell me what is the correct answer. 7.2 multiplied by 5. 7.2 multiplied by 5 is equals to 36 centimeter square. Nice. Very good. Now we'll move next question. Question number 4. Okay, question number 4 is very good question. Let's try to understand. Okay, what the question is saying. Let's see. Question number 4. So all of you check your book also. The adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Okay, the adjacent sides of a parallelogram are given 36 centimeter and 27 centimeter. इस क्वेश्चन को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से ध्यान देना. The adjacent side of a parallelogram are 36 centimeter and 27 centimeter. Means suppose this is your parallelogram. Okay, suppose this is your parallelogram. In this parallelogram adjacent side is given. Means ये आपके पास 36 centimeter है, इसका adjacent side सर ये भी हो सकता है, आप बोलोगे सर ये भी हो सकता है. So you can write down any one, no issue. 27 centimeter we can consider this one. चलो इसको भी मैं लिख लेता हूँ 27. Okay. Now your question is, if the perpendicular distance of the shorter side, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से ध्यान दो. This is 36 centimeter, this is 36 centimeter. Now tell me which are shorter side. This is shorter side or this one shorter side? Obviously sir this one shorter side. अब इन दोनों का जो perpendicular distance है ना, इन दोनों का shorter side का perpendicular distance, इन दोनों का बीच का जो distance है, that is given. How many? That is given 12 centimeter. How many given students? 12 centimeter. Now your question says, what is the distance between longer side? What is the distance between longer side? मतलब आपको ये पूछा है. Understood? Again I am telling this question one time. One parallelogram is given. In this parallelogram adjacent side is given. one side is 36, another side is 27, and all of you know जो आपके पास पैरेललोग्राम होता है, पैरेललोग्राम में अपोजिट साइड से इक्वल, if it is 36 then it is also 36 sir, if it is 27 then it is also 27. ठीक है यहाँ तक. अब आगे क्या प्रोसेस देखो. If the distance between the shorter side is 12 centimeter, so what is the distance between the longer side? Longer side का distance क्या होगा? अब मैं कैसे सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ क्वेश्चन को देखना. Suppose if I consider this is base and this is height, so what is the area? सब मुझे बताओ फटाफट. Area of parallelogram, how many? If this is base, if this is height, so what is the area of parallelogram? We can say na 27 multiplied by 12 centimeter square. Yes or no? How many? 27 multiplied by 12, this one only. आपको आंसर नहीं देना है properly, only आपको ये बताना है if I multiply 27 multiply 12, how many will come? No one given answer. No issue. So 27 multiply 12, 2 7 ja 14, 1 carry, 2 2 ja 4, 5 7 2, 4 2 3. So we can see here 324 centimeter square is coming. अच्छे समझना. Now if I say this is base, and base we know, but height we don't know. Height we don't know. So if I consider height is base how many? 36. ठीक है. अब इस पैरेललोग्राम का एरिया वही तो सेम होगा 324 के बराबर, बट अगर मैं कंसीडर करूं बेस ये है और हाइट ये है, सो बेस कितना है 36, हाइट कितना है वी डोंट नो. हाइट आपको फाइंड करना है. अगर मैं इसको बेस कंसीडर करूं, सो 36 मल्टीप्लाई h इज इक्वल्स टू 324, बिकॉज पैरेललोग्राम तो सेम है बट हमारे पास जो बेस है वो मैंने डिफरेंट ले रहा हूं. पहले वाला केस में आपका बेस ये था, हाइट ये था, बट सेकेंड वाला केस में आपके पास बेस ये था और हाइट ये था. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से इन सेकेंड केस वी आर कंसीडर्ड बेस इज इक्वल्स टू 36, height is equals to h, we don't know, that's why, and is equals to 324. Now from this equation we need to find out the h. So h is equals to 324 upon 36, and that is how many? 9 centimeter. So we can say the answer is how many? 9 centimeter. So हम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं जो हमारे पास longer sides है ना, जो longer sides है उसका distance क्या होगा? That is 9 centimeter. Very nice. But you are given answer. That is very good. But मैं जिस तरीके से questions को आपको पूछूंगा उस तरीके से आंसर देना है. Direct answer नहीं देना है. Okay? So that is your complete question number 4th. This question is very good question. Really. Now question number 5. In this question number 5 that is given, the area of parallelogram and the area of square both are same. Means one parallelogram is there and one square is there. Both areas are same. दोनों का जो area है ना both are same. Now in this question says if the perimeter of the square, who tell me if perimeter of square is given, how many? Like 160 meter. Listen carefully. If perimeter of square is given 160 meter, then what is the side of square? Who tell me first? If perimeter of square is equals to 160 meter, then what is the side of the square? मुझे side चाहिए बस. Only side. Very nice. 40. So how 40? Because we know perimeter divided by 4. Perimeter को अगर 4 से divide करें, then we can find out easily what is the side of square. So here 160 upon 4 is equals to how many, student? 40. 40 centimeter. Sorry, meter. 40 meter. That is the side of what? Side of square. Now we have to find out area of square. What is the formula of area of square? Students, side multiply by side, that means 40 multiply by 40, that is meter square. Or we can say 1600 meter square. This is the area of the square. Understood? Area of square कितना है 1600. अब सोचो आप, अगर एरिया ऑफ इसका 1600 होगा, so इसका भी तो 1600 होगा, because now only I told you area of square is equals to area of parallelogram. अब क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया आपको, in this question says if area if height of the parallelogram is given, इस पैरेललोग्राम का हाइट दे रखा है आपके पास 20, इस पैरेललोग्राम का हाइट दे रखा है 20, सो व्हाट इज द बेस, आपको ये पूछा है बेस. सो आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड. वी नो हाइट, how many 20 meter, and we know area also. Area is equals to how many 1600 meter square. Now who tell me what is the formula? Yes, area is equals to 1600. So 1600 times 20. So that is 0, 0. This is cancel out 80. We can say 80 meter is the correct answer. How many answer? 80 meter. Okay, got it all of you? Yes, friends. 80 meter is the base. So if I this questions take again from first only, अगर आप अच्छे से देखोगे इस क्वेश्चन को स्टार्टिंग से, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर इज गिवन, वहां से हमारे पास साइड आ गया, साइड हाउ मेनी 40 मीटर. ओके, साइड आ गया, जैसे ही आपका साइड आ गया, सबसे पहले आपको क्या फाइंड करना है, एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर. Area of the square that is equals to area of parallelogram, and we know height, we know area. So how we find out the base? Base का formula होता है आपका area divided by height, and area divided by height is equals to how many 80 meter. That is your complete answer. Okay, all of you understood students this question? So still question number 5 we are done in exercise 14.c.